Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to double tap to wake up the screen and double tap to turn off the screen. Okay guys, so that your power button is not often used to turn on or turn off the screen, you can use the double tap method to turn on and turn off the screen guys. And how to do that is very easy and I will show you how. Okay guys, first go to settings menu and then here you can scroll down until you found a menu about advanced feature guys. You can click for it and then go to motion and gesture, yeah, like this. And now you can turn on double tap to wake on the screen and double tap to turn off the screen guys. So yeah, after that, now we can give it a try. Double tap to turn off and then double tap again to turn on. So yeah, it's work guys. Okay guys, yeah, here's the tutorial on how to double tap to wake on the screen and double tap to turn off the screen on Samsung Galaxy A25. And thank you so much for watching.